On today's episode of Draw Every Day with JJK, I'm teaching you how to paint a simple skull pumpkin. And you know what? I'm going to leave this on a friend's house later for hashtag pumpkindness.
Draw Every Day with JJK.
Welcome back to Draw Every Day. We are going to be making more pumpkins today for hashtag pumpkindness. Today I'm going to teach you the easiest pumpkins to make. It's a skeleton pumpkin. So, well, I guess easy if you can get a hold of a white pumpkin. I'm going to be making my own black using burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. And you might be asking yourself, Jarrett, why don't you just get black from a tube? They make those. And yes, that's true, they do. But one of the first things they teach you in painting class and in art school is to not use black from a tube because it can just muddy up and gray out all of the colors. There's a richness to the black when you mix it. The most common being burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. Now, same thing with titanium white. You want to use that very, very sparingly because it can make things look chalky. And first I'll make eye sockets, leaving a little section for where the eye would go, the pupil. But this time I'm not going to be painting the white of the pupil. I'll let that remain the color of the pumpkin. I'd like to introduce some more blue into this mixture to make it lean more towards black and give it a deeper, richer color. There we go. Now for the mouth, I'm going to make this character smile. And I'm just going to draw a big, wide smile. Now I'm going to make lines that go like so. All across the mouth. That will make it look like teeth. You know what? I'm looking at it and I'm wondering, should it have nostrils? I'm gonna try. I'm happy with it the way it is. That's another hard thing about being an artist, is knowing when to stop. Sometimes you might overwork a piece. Yeah, you know what? I'm glad I added those nostrils. Remember, your grown-ups can submit your work by visiting my website, studiojjk.com, to see it at the end of the show. Here are some more pumpkins from Krosoczka family Halloween's past. See you soon.
Please click like and subscribe and keep drawing. See you soon.